Today, you're gonna get to see me clean my house and undecorate, take down all my fall decor. Yes, I am doing that today. I know I put a poll out asking, should I decorate this weekend or next weekend? Well, by the time you see this, it will be next weekend. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do this. Hang with me, watch me clean, watch me take down decor, and who knows, maybe there'll be another video to follow. If you're new to my channel, I really appreciate you stopping by. If you have not yet subscribed, I would love for you to do so, or even just give this video a like. That would be greatly appreciated. I'm pretty certain that I've shown you guys this sign before, but it's one that I made. It is two-sided, so it's great for Christmas and fall, and I made a tutorial on it back years ago when I made the sign, so be sure to check that out. It'll be down in the description below for you. You know, when we moved to the farm, we had this big garage sale, so I got rid of a ton of my fall decor. So it's really nice that I can just put it all in one tub and go stick it out in the garage. Okay, so burning question, how picky are you about the dishwasher being loaded? Do you care how they're placed in there, or do you just throw the dishes in there and turn it on? Let me know. Just out of curiosity, I would love to know what type of cleaning products you guys use. I only recently switched to the Mrs. Meyer's brand cleaning products. I found them at Costco and thought, you know, I want to give these a try. I see them advertised a lot. I see other people using them, and I seem to really love them. It's, you know, great for my countertops that are marble. It hasn't hurt them so far, and I read about it before using them, and they seem to be really great. But I would love to know what you use. Now, when it comes to my stainless steel appliances, I do use a product that's designated for stainless steel. It's the Wayman Stainless Steel Appliance Cleaner. Okay, so you may see me wiggling this little sign back and forth here. This is my dirty, clean sign for my dishwasher. I did a little YouTube short on this, and it seemed to like really take off. It's just super easy to make, and it's also very helpful if you have kids or even for someone like me who can never remember if the dishes are dirty or clean. I really should have taken the time today to wash my windows as well, but I did not. So I am going to try to tackle that in the next couple of days, and hopefully the outside too. And maybe while we still have some pretty weather, that would be one of the things I could get out and do. Oh my wow, you guys. It is in fact not November 6th, but November 10th. I'm so bad about changing my little calendar out each day. You know, I walk right over there every morning and get my coffee, and it should just be a habitual thing to do by now, but no, it's not. So when is your favorite time to clean or straighten up? Are you one that likes to clean up and tidy up before you go to bed at night? Or is this something you do in the mornings when you get up, or just whenever you have some spare time? I know, people that work outside of the home, it is just rare to find time to do things, but I am blessed to be able to stay home and work, so I can tidy up here, there, and everywhere. So just out of curiosity, are you a super regular, routine, scheduled type person, or are you like me, more random and sporadic? So our buffet cabinet is kind of our catch-all. As we walk in the door, whatever we have in our hands just kind of lands here, and it's making me a little bit crazy, so I'm trying to find a place for everything today. Please tell me I'm not the only one with a catch-all space like this. I don't know about you, but I don't like shopping for bed sheets ever because they're so hard to find, and if you get a bad brand, then you're kind of stuck with them. But I did finally find some that I love. My daughter suggested them. They are the Threshold brand from Target. They have this great elastic band around each corner, and they stay on the bed really, really well. So I do highly recommend the Threshold bed sheets from Target. I don't know about you guys, but the feeling of a fresh, clean, clutter-free home feels so good. Now, I realize if you have small children, it is almost impossible to keep it this way for long. We have grandkids and we live here, so it does get a little cluttered here and there. But I feel like over the years, I have gotten rid of more and more stuff. Mike and I, at one time, did have a lot of stuff pile up in our lives, but it just feels good to get rid of things and have this fresh, clean space. You know, when the grandkids are over, I do the little cleanup song with them if their toys are out. So it's never too early to start teaching them to help clean up and make a game out of it, make it fun for them. But anyways, I hope you found a little bit of inspiration and motivation to clean. Cleaning is not my favorite thing to do, but it needed to be done. And now I'm done with fall and I'm ready to decorate for Christmas. So be on the lookout for my Christmas decorating video. Once again, thanks so much for watching. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please do so. And don't forget to hit that like button.